Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing the vehicle and removing power. This prevents accidental motor spin and shorts. Once done, remove visible torque screws at the fairing edges and place them in a labeled tray. Use the trim pry tool at the lower seam to release plastic clips. Apply steady, even pressure to avoid cracking. Make sure to photograph each step so reassembly matches. You're aiming to get the fairing edge free while keeping fasteners organized for a seamless rebuild. Once the edges are free, move to the middle section where hidden screws and clips lie. These often sit under trim strips. Remove any small bolts with the correct torque size and release plastic clips by pulling straight out to avoid deforming them. Make sure to support the fairing as you unclip. One person holds while the other finishes fasteners. When electrical connectors appear, press the release tab and gently separate. Mark connectors with painter's tape to preserve orientation for reinstallation later. You'll lift the fairing straight upward, keeping it level so clips don't tear. Have someone steady it while you clear the last mounts. Once removed, inspect mounting bosses, clip tabs, and harness grommets for cracks or wear and replace parts as needed. Reassembly follows the removal sequence in reverse, aligning tabs before tightening screws. If the fairing won't budge, don't force it. Recheck for missed fasteners and soften the plastic slightly with low heat to ease clips.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.